Thanks to Eyesun for sending this over for testing and evaluation. Now, I will tell you guys, before you get started on this, go to this page and label the numbers. So I labeled all of mine because the numbers right here don't really correspond to the instructions here. So go ahead and label these whichever way you need to, but go ahead and label those. It'll save you a little bit of time. You'll start your assembly with the 2 screws to tighten the handle down. After that, you'll use the Allen wrench and attach the front feet, and you'll go ahead and tighten those down too. Your next step is to attach the pedals on both sides and the braces that go underneath them. Now, I initially switched and put the pedals on the wrong side, so make sure you double check that. Then use the cool funky looking tool and tighten the pedals down. Next, we're going to attach the rollers to the seat. You'll put the 4 screws in here and tighten those down as well. And you can go ahead and fully tighten the rollers to the seat. Make sure the black side of the bar is facing away from you and attach the rear feet. And you can go ahead and tighten these all the way too. In the next step, we'll attach the white rubber stoppers to the bottom of the bar. The last major piece of assembly is putting the seat bar into the rowing machine itself. There's probably a little bit easier way to do this, but I used my foot to level everything up. After you get 1 screw in to hold it tight, finishing off the rest of the screws is pretty straightforward. It comes with a tablet or a cell phone holder, and this just screws in with the 2 self-tapping screws. Go back through and tighten up all of your screws, and then hop on this thing and give yourself a workout. So here's our readout. We did 42 reps just a minute ago. It took 1 minute and 57 seconds. The assembly was pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. It has more to do with the labeling of the parts than anything else. I think if they tweaked that, it would make it a whole lot faster.